If you like price matching, be prepared to have to fight harder for it this holiday season. Consumer reporter John Matarese shows us how one major retailer is tightening its policy so you don't waste your money.
Walmart got a lot of attention when it recently announced it would price match everyone, even online retailers. But within a week, the store tightened its new policy after some bozos scammed it for Sony PlayStations. So we now have advice on how to make sure you get a price match and the best possible deal.
Hi, this other store has these for 20 cents less. What?
Walmart's new price matching can save you a bundle.
Match it! Match it!
Match it! But the store is tightening its policy after someone photoshopped an Amazon page to show the $400 PS4 for just $89. A number of people brought the doctored ad in and got the bogus price. So some Walmarts now have signs saying they will no longer price match the PS4. So how can you make sure you get a price match? Show the Walmart clerk the live website that you found. And do not just bring in a screenshot or printout. But from the Doesn't That Stink file, how a few bad eggs can ruin things for the rest of us. Walmart is not only demanding to see a live web page for a match, it has also announced it will no longer price match third-party vendors. That may have you saying, doesn't that stink? If you find a great price from a third-party Amazon vendor, and Walmart says, too bad, we won't match it. My advice, do your homework, and if you find a lower price, make sure you know exactly where you found it online. A printout of a website may not work anymore, so don't waste your money. I'm John Matarese, ABC Action News.